We mentioned officials say there is evidence of what they call community spread in Broward County. That's because several people are now sick, and those people are not connected to international travel or even to each other. CBS 4's Ty Russell begins our team coverage from Nova Southeastern University in Davie, where at least 6 people connected with the school are now sick.
Broward County has the most cases in the state of Florida. The vast majority of those are linked to international travel.
Governor Ron DeSantis announced there were 24 positive cases of coronavirus in Broward County as of Saturday night. Most are travel related.
We have 3 unlinked cases in Broward County. Now that is still being investigated, but in terms of when you have unlinked cases, that is evidence of community spread.
This man is from Davie, and with the increase in cases, he's doing what he can to stay healthy.
The most important thing obviously is staying clean and sanitary and not really messing around with anybody else out here.
He lives near Nova Southeastern University. He's concerned because NSU is where university leaders say 6 students who studied abroad in Ireland tested positive for the virus.
If anybody decides to want to wander on over here, you know, that's a possibility that I can get infected or anybody around me can get infected.
A medical student got an email Saturday from the university that informed students about the cases.
6 affiliates of NSU. They didn't specify it was like student, faculty or anything, but they said they just came back from Europe.
The university is now asking people who interacted with those students to self-isolate. And a 20-minute drive away, Memorial Regional Hospital in Hollywood has tents set up near the emergency room. A spokesperson says they're meant to help patients with flu-like symptoms remain away from people with other illnesses. The county is also home to one of the largest school districts in the nation. And while students are out and schools are undergoing a deep cleaning, those on free or reduced lunch and their families can get breakfast and lunch at the following high schools: Blanche Ely, Boyd Anderson, Dillard, Charles W. Flanagan, Hallandale, Miramar, Nova, and J.B. Taravella. And back at NSU, a sign at the school says classes are suspended, and they've been that way since back on Thursday. And now this medical student plans to wait to see what's next.
And they're going to keep us updated, but in the time being, they say avoid going to public places, school's canceled, everything's online now.
Also on Saturday, the city of Miramar declared a state of emergency, and officials there will be doing more cleaning to try to prevent the spread of the virus. Also, the city of Fort Lauderdale is requiring all public places to have hand sanitizer at their entrances. Now, as for NSU here in Davie, officials are saying that no other staff or student has coronavirus. In Davie, I'm Ty Russell, CBS 4 This Morning.